back, guys. Welcome to another one. We're here. It's the day after Christmas. We got the boat all loaded down. We got about 4 or 5 dozen decoys right now. Late season, you know. It's 45 degrees right now. It's not the kind of cold front that we want pushing the ducks, but it is a little bit overcast today. There was some rain this morning. You know, that's not always gonna push birds down, but we're hoping that that's what's gonna do it for us today. So it's me, my dad, Chad, and then our buddies coming with us. So we got 4 of us in the boat. We're gonna try to get a limit today. So we'll see what happens, and we'll see you at the boat ramp. So see you guys then. Well, the mojo, I guess, seems to be...
Yeah, they're...
I think separating the groups. I think I'm a believer in ducks. They're not a mass of ducks. There's a group,
Yep.
and a group,
Yep.
and a group, and a group.
Yeah.
Okay, get ready. Get ready. Bust them. One dead.
Should I call back?
All right, so we've been out here for about an hour and a half, maybe close to 2 hours. We found we had a really hard time trying to figure out a spot to sit, but we figured open water is good right now. We saw like 4 or 5 ducks come down here midday when we were driving out trying to find a spot. But when we originally set up our decoys, they were kind of all together in a big group, and they just weren't like that. I mean, there were a lot of ducks flying, but they were just like giving us a look and then taking off. So we went out there, we put a mojo out there, and we kind of broke up the two groups, the one big group into 2 little smaller groups, and they've been loving that. We got a little small ringy right here, female ringy, and we killed 3 drakes. Well, 2 drakes and 1 hen, 3 mallards. So grand total 4. So they're liking it, and it's gonna be a good rest of the hunt.
Coming in.
Get ready.
Not yet.
Let's do my work. Big face of oil, at least. Alright, they're at like 11 o'clock.
Get him again, Chad.
Wait. Hit it.
Way out. Get him.
We're looking at some rain coming in, and these ducks are really starting to work. I tried to go pee and stop, so there's that duck right there. But they're starting to work. The wind's starting to pick up. Hopefully this afternoon stays good, guys. Stick with us. Like I said, like Jake said earlier, we had our decoys kind of separate a little. The mojo's attracting them. A little bit of calling on the corners seems to really be working. Those ducks are coming right in. Keep tuned. Take them. Well, guys, that just wrapped up a great hunt. Numbers don't really show. I think we killed 6 or 7. We lost 2, so 9, I guess, 10 ducks. Like I said, numbers don't show it, but it was just a fun hunt to get out here. All the ducks were coming in right before the storm hits. It just rained this time, but that just shows low pressure fronts move ducks. We got to get wrapped up because we got to get them before the storm now. So we'll get a better closing interview when we get back to the truck or at home. Thanks for watching, guys.